Absolutely, it is very, very important to lift weights. But for obese people, I would suggest that they should do it under supervision, under an expert or a trainer. Why? Because at times when you're lifting heavy weights, you might the chances of injury are more. If you're doing it with the wrong posture and the wrong technique, then you might injure yourself. But at the same time, it is very important for obese people to lift weight, because lifting weights help you to increase your metabolism rate, which will help you lose weight faster. And secondly, lifting weights also strengthens your muscles, which reduces the chances of injury. So, of course, one should not, even if you're obese, one should not refrain from lifting weights, but do it under supervision.
Midlife.